In this guide, you will learn how to fix your TikTok video's audio not working. First thing you want to do is check your iPhone's volume. Make sure the volume is turned up and you haven't enabled silent mode in your device. Then check TikTok's volume. Sometimes the sound for a specific video may be muted within the app itself, so make sure the speaker icon is not muted. If the sound is still not playing, try restarting the app. Close TikTok completely by swiping it off from your screen and then reopen it. Next up, check your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. If your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device like headphones or speakers, the sound may be playing through that device instead of phone's speaker. Disconnect from Bluetooth or switch to a different audio source to see if that fixes the issue. If you are not using Bluetooth, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is not turned on. Sometimes this feature can interfere with sound playback, so disable for that option if it is activated. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot can help refresh your phone system and clear out temporary issues that may be blocking sound. Another thing to check is if your TikTok app is updated. For that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Still sound, it might be a problem with your phone's audio system. To test this, play audio or video on other apps to see if the sound issue is isolated to TikTok. If you hear sound on other apps, the problem is likely within TikTok itself. If there is no sound at all, you may need to check your iPhone sound settings or consider contacting Apple support. Finally, if all else fails, try reinstalling TikTok. Completely delete TikTok from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.